Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new, my name is Luisa, you are watching Loulou C'est la vie, and for today's video I am doing part 2 of my favorite product. In this video we are going to talk about my favorite conditioners. Before I get into the mid of this video, please feel free to subscribe to my channel if you have been coming back for more of my video and you are enjoying the content and the vibe of this channel. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. I'm only posting one video a week. I'm not going to bother you too much. If you are enjoying the content of this video, feel free to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below with your favorite conditioning product, and feel free to share with a friend in need. Also, if you'd like to support me in any ways, I am linking my store down below, in which you can find all of my creation, because you know I'm an artist, I create stuff. Those macrames, for example, are for sale on my website. I also make my own body lotion, which I may be out of stock. I don't make a lot of it throughout the year, so you know, just keep your eye out for it. And all my merch is on there, which is pretty much 3 products: a Detangling Brush, a Microfiber Towel, and a diffuser, portable diffuser. Of course, you have a little bit of a discount because you guys are my family. I'm giving you a 20% off when you use the code Luisa Lewis. Take advantage of it. And with no further ado, let's get into this video. All right, so this is part 2. We are talking about conditioners. Last week I posted part 1, which I will link right there. Next week I'll post part 3, which will be about the leave-in conditioners and the gels. I think I'm gonna do them together. Okay, so this one, I only have 4 conditioners that I'm loving right now, so it's gonna be a quickie, but still. The first one I want to show you is the BioTerra Ultra Repair Leave-In. Leave-in? Leave-in? Why do you say leave-in? No. No. That is not what I want. I want the conditioner. This one, right here. Okay, I got it. So, the first conditioner that I want to show you is the BioTerra Ultra Repair Conditioner, 2 times the strength. Again, if you guys saw the previous one on my shampoo, I love this line of product from BioTerra, like love. The problem is that they're discontinuing it. They were supposed to discontinue it 6 months ago, but it's still out there. So you know what, I'm just gonna show it to you guys because I love it so much. I'm posting this video in January. I don't know when it is when you're watching this video. Hopefully it'll still be available. Hi my love, I'm sorry to interrupt, but I am editing the video right now and I see that I'm not able to find any link to purchase this product. Why? Because it's discontinued. It is totally my bad. I knew it was discontinued, but I still had the hope that we could still find it for a little bit longer, just a little bit. To my defense, it is still on their website, so that's what made me think that it was still kind of available. But when I check on Ulta Beauty, on Sally's, on Amazon, I couldn't find it anywhere. So it is what it is. Now, what I want to do, I'm not sure if you're gonna like that, but I'll do it anyway because I think it's better than leaving you hanging with nothing. I'm going to substitute this product with the same brand but a different line. You see the package is similar, so instead of the Ultra Repair line, which is discontinued, the orange line, I'm going to substitute with the red line, the anti-freeze line. I really like their leave-in conditioners. Their shampoo and conditioners are also really good. It is very similar, very rich and hydrating, but the only difference is that it has some silicone in there. I think it is paraben free, but I think it still has a little bit of silicone in there. So that's that. So I know that once I am done with my product from the Ultra Repair line and I won't be able to get more because it's discontinued, I will be switching to this line. Okay, my loves, I have not reviewed this line yet, but it will be coming to you in 2022, so stay tuned for that. And I am talking about the leave-in conditioner in the next video, okay? So also stay tuned for that. Okay, no more interruption. Back to the video. I apologize. I love you guys. Enjoy the video. I am putting the links down below. They are affiliated links, which means that I make a few crumbs if you buy through my links. So thanks for that. Thanks for the support. Hopefully it will still be out there when you watched, at the time you watch this video. If it's not, I apologize. I tried my best. It's just when something's good, you just have to share it, okay? Loving this. It is giving me hydration. It gives me a little bit of silkiness to the hair that I love so much, but it's not weighting my hair down. This is definitely a conditioner that I will grab after using a cleansing shampoo. You know, the type of shampoo that cleanses your scalp and your hair very well, that takes out all of the buildup product but also the natural sebum and leaves your hair really dry. This is a regular conditioner that I would put in my hair right after using a cleansing shampoo. Highly recommend. Won't weight your hair down, but yet again will give your hair moisture and will repair your hair. Will give that illusion of repairing your hair. It has no SLS, no paraben, and no silicone. Love this product. Highly recommend, as long as it's out there. Again, I don't know how long that's gonna be. The next one I'm going for is my Not Your Mother Royal Honey and Kalahari Repair and Protect Conditioner. This is definitely a go-to for me. This is the packaging. This whole line of product is very natural. I tend to say supernatural sometimes, so I'm going to stop saying that, although I really like saying that. But it is 98% naturally derived ingredients. It has no sulfates, silicone, paraben, dyes, gluten, and phthalates. The price point is pretty affordable, available in most drugstores and supermarket, I want to say. I will leave a link down below. Loving this product. It leaves my hair so soft, you guys. I would use this after a cleansing shampoo the same way, like it's pretty much like we're on the same level here. Also, it has a really good slit to it. Very easy to detangle your hair with it. And after rinsing out, it leaves your hair with a little bit of moisture, a lot of softness to it. A lot of softness to it, okay? So keep that in mind. It's not weighting your hair down, but it leaves your hair really soft. The next one I'm gonna go for is the Garnier Fructis Smoothing Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask. If you guys follow me, you know that this product has been a staple. I'm always buying this product. Since I first tried on this channel 4 years ago, I've been buying this product over and over again. So much so that the brand used a little clip of one of my videos from 4 years ago to do their ad campaign. That's just to tell, just to brag a little bit about it too, because you know, nobody knows. Nobody knows. Loving this product. I use it as a conditioner to detangle my hair, to replenish my hair if it has lost its moisture from a cleansing shampoo, but also as a mask and as a leave-in conditioner, which I'll talk about in the next video, the leave-in conditioner video. Highly recommend. It rinses off really nicely, leaves your hair soft, hydrated, but not weighted down. Also very affordable. This big jar is, I think, about 15 bucks depending where you buy it, and I have about 400 milliliters, 13.5 ounces. I will link it down below for you guys. The last conditioner I want to show you is from Curlsmith, so it's a little bit more of a high-end product. It is the multitasking conditioner. It is also the most recent conditioner I've been using, okay? This I've been using for about 3 or 4 months. I already reordered twice. They've had a sale, so I got 2 jars. I am loving this product. So we're talking about a higher end line of product. The price point is a little bit higher than what I've been showing you so far. But again, I like to give you a variety of things from drugstore product to higher end products so that you can find, you know, a little bit for everybody. And I think it's also good to expose your hair to different type of products so that they don't get used to one product and then after a while you see your hair going a certain way. Like personally, I know that I always switch around the type of product that I give my hair. So this one is a higher end product. The composition is very good, very clean, but it's also one of the most hydrating conditioners that I have right here. Okay, so when I use this, you guys, I use a very little bit because of my fine wavy curly hair. I don't need to put that much. What I love about this product is how multitasking it is. It can be used as a conditioner, as a leave-in conditioner, as a mask. I compare it to the Garnier Fructis 1 Minute Hair Mask, but on steroids, okay? And with a ingredient list that is out of this world. Love this product, becoming a staple slowly. Like I needed to share it with you. I did do a review, which I will link right here for you guys, but I was not quite familiar with this yet. Did I do an update? I can't remember if I did an update. I don't think I did it yet, but I should. Loving this, highly recommend. Alright my love, well this is it for this video. This is pretty much all the conditioners I am abusing right now. Let me know in the comment section what are your favorite conditioners and why do you like it? Do you like them and what do they do to your hair? And then that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Part 3 will be coming next week. I will be sharing with you my favorite leave-in conditioners and gels. Okay, so stay tuned for that. And then that's that. Okay, I will see you guys next week with this new video. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.